Hi, this is Becca. Welcome to my art channel. Today, I have a special guest in my studio.
Hi friends and family, my name's Quinn and today we're going to make a picture frame.
Why are we making a picture frame today?
Because it's almost Father's Day.
Oh, and what colors did you choose for your dad?
I picked green because his favorite color is green, and gray and white.
And what do those colors mean to you?
The Jets.
Oh, the Jets! Go Jets! So what I want you to do is you're going to take your colors and you're going to make little dots all over the canvas in different colors.